Hello, I wanted to add one last validation check. By adding a new product, I thought I was demonstrating how the formatting restrictions on the price were valid. Turns out in the first two products that I added, the Beep bird call and the high def bird cam, that I did use a formatted price of $6.99. So I wanted to show you what happens. We'll add a product here. And go ahead and just leave the product as a 6. And we'll see what happens to that in the database when we add this product. So we'll go ahead and add it. The blaster was successfully added. Jump back over here and refresh our inventory. So here we can see that the first two, I'll see if I can make that a little bit bigger. The first two items I did actually put in dollars and cents. It got added correctly. When I just put the 6, the formatting in the program formatted the input correctly as $6.00. So I just wanted to make sure that I included that in my my video. So thank you.